I am Emma from... Name is Emma.
Sorry, are you saying your name or where you are from?
Oh, that moment is so real.
Yeah, you can feel the confusion instantly.
And the sad part is, Emma actually knows the words.
Exactly. I am, name, from. Everything is there, just not connected properly.
Right, and when that happens, communication breaks.
Not because of vocabulary, but because of structure.
And today, we fix that. All right, before we go any further, hey, I'm Zivara, and if that moment felt a little uncomfortable, trust me, you're not the only one.
And I'm Oren. And yeah, that feeling where you know English, but when it's time to speak, everything disappears? We've all been there.
So welcome, not just to another lesson, but to a full transformation.
Welcome to Speak English Confidently in 30 Days, Zero to Hero.
And today, we're on day 1.
Now here's the plan, and this is important.
We start simple, really simple.
We're talking about words like I, you, am, are, from, name.
Basic building blocks, the kind of English you think you already know, but don't always use correctly.
And that's the key difference in this course. We don't just learn words, we use them in real conversations, in real situations.
Because that's where confidence actually grows, not in grammar books, but in real moments, like the one you just heard.
And step by step, day by day, we take you from simple sentences to natural conversations to confident speaking.
And by day 30, you'll be using advanced vocabulary, clear sentence structure, and expressions that actually sound human, not robotic.
So in 30 days, you'll learn 180 useful words and 30 practical rules that you can actually use in real life.
Enough to take you from hesitation to confidence, from silence to speaking clearly.
So yeah, this isn't just a lesson, it's a system.
All right, let's build this step by step.
Let's start by giving you the tools you actually need.
Because without the right words, you can't build anything.
First word, I. This is you, the speaker.
Example: I am ready. I am ready.
Another example. I am Emma. I am Emma.
Second word, you. This is the person you are talking to.
Example. You are here. You are here.
Another one. You are my friend. You are my friend.
Next word, am. We only use am with I.
Example. I am learning. I am learning.
Next, are. We use are with you.
Example. You are doing well. You are doing well.
Next word, from. This tells where you come from.
Example. I am from Philippines. I am from Philippines.
Last word, name. This is what people call you.
Example. My name is Emma. My name is Emma.
Simple words, but they create your first real sentences.
Now there's one small thing that makes a big difference.
And this is where many learners get stuck.
The rule is simple. I am, you are.
If you change this, the sentence feels broken.
If someone says, I is Emma, you understand, but it sounds off.
But I am Emma feels natural, smooth, correct.
Same with you. You are, always.
So don't overthink it. Just remember the pattern.
All right, now let's go back to that moment.
Listen carefully. This is where things start to break.
I am Emma from... Name is Emma.
Sorry, I didn't understand.
I am Emma from name.
Okay.
Yes, I name Emma.
Oh, your name is Emma?
Yes, Emma.
Nice to meet you, Emma.
You am from here? You from here?
Ah, yes, I'm from here.
I am from Philippines.
Oh, nice.
My name, Emma.
Yeah, Emma. Got it.
You are name?
Sorry.
Your name. What?
Oh, I'm Arlo.
You are Arlo.
Yes.
I am happy.
That's good.
You are nice.
Thank you.
I am little nervous.
That's okay.
I am learning English.
Nice. Keep going.
I try.
You're doing fine.
I am better, little.
Yeah, I can understand you.
Thank you.
No problem.
Okay, let's fix this together.
We'll go step by step, just like it happened.
Emma started with, I am Emma from name is Emma. Yeah, she's trying to introduce herself, but everything is mixed.
So we slow it down and make it clear. My name is Emma.
Then she said, I am Emma from name. Same idea again, just not clear.
We keep it simple again. My name is Emma.
Next, I name Emma. You understand it, but it doesn't sound natural.
So we shape it properly. My name is Emma.
Then, you am from here? This is where it breaks a bit.
We just adjust it slightly. You are from here?
Then she tried, you from here? Better, but still incomplete.
So we complete it. You are from here?
Next, my name, Emma. Almost there, just missing one word.
We complete the sentence. My name is Emma.
Then, you are name? We understand, but it's not how people ask.
So we turn it into a natural question. What is your name?
Then, your name, what? Again, same idea, just different order.
We keep it natural. What is your name?
Then, I am little nervous. Just one small thing missing.
We add it in. I am a little nervous.
Then, I am learning English. That one is actually good.
Yeah, that's clear and natural already.
Then, I try. Very short, but okay.
We can make it slightly smoother. I am trying.
Then, I am better, little. We understand, but it feels broken.
So we smooth it out. I am a little better.
See what's happening?
Same meaning, same ideas, just clearer, more natural, easier to understand. Now listen again. Same situation, same flow, just improved.
My name is Emma.
Sorry, I didn't understand.
My name is Emma.
Okay. Nice to meet you, Emma.
You are from here? You are from here?
Ah, yes, I'm from here.
I am from Philippines.
Oh, nice.
What is your name?
I'm Arlo.
You are Arlo.
Yes.
I am happy.
That's good.
You are nice.
Thank you.
I am a little nervous.
That's okay.
I am learning English.
Nice. Keep going.
I am trying.
You're doing fine.
I am a little better.
Yeah, I can understand you.
Thank you.
No problem.
Now this is your moment.
You've heard it. Now let's make it yours.
Speak out loud. Don't just listen.
Ready? Let's go.
I am ready. I am ready.
My name is Alex. My name is Alex.
I am from London. I am from London.
You are my friend. You are my friend.
What is your name? What is your name?
You are here. You are here.
I am learning English. I am learning English.
Quick warning. This is where many learners get stuck.
Yeah, these are small mistakes, but they make a big difference. All right, let's take a second and see what you can do now.
You started with confusion, broken sentences, hesitation.
And now you can introduce yourself, ask simple questions, and sound clear.
Today, you can now introduce yourself clearly and ask simple questions with confidence.
And this is just day 1.
Imagine where you'll be on day 30.
Keep going, one day at a time.
You're not just learning English.
You're building confidence.
See you in day 2.